In this brief tutorial, you're going to learn how to create progress reports for elementary school. And to do that, we're going to open up our GradeQuick by going to Tools, GradeQuick, and Semester 1. And once your GradeQuick window is up, you're going to want to make sure in elementary school that you're using grading scale number 5. If you don't see this, make sure you go to View and Student Information and make sure the grade scale here is highlighted. So after you've done that, we want to create a report. And so we're going to go up here into Reports, and we're going to choose a multi-file progress one teacher and choose EconoPrint. I've looked at a lot of these, and that looks to be the most economical and gives us the information we want. This also assumes that you have already input your memos for your students and have grades and assessments for them. So if you haven't done that, do that now. Input memos for each student and make sure your grades are in there as well. So here we're just going to click on OK. And we need to preview this a little bit here and cut things down a bit. So we're going to go up to Tests and select Tests and Subtotals. First of all, select None, but on Subtotals categories here, Term Subtotals, select All. We want just to give them the final grade and not the grade of every assessment that you've done in class. Okay, so we're going to hit OK, and then we're going to go up to Print, and we're going to print this report. You're going to choose the classes in the order in which you want them to appear. As an elementary school teacher, you'll see more classes here than what I have. I would suggest you start with language arts, then you click on math, then science, then social studies, then include any electives. Do not include your homeroom class, as there's no grading information there. And unless your attendance shows up there, there's no reason to select that as well. So you're going to click on these. These will then appear over on this side. Again, try and do it in the same order so all teachers have some sort of uniform progress report, starting with language arts, then math, science, and social studies, and then the electives at the end. I'm just going to take off philosophy there, then hit OK. Your list of students will be here. You're going to want to select all students and then hit OK. Ideally, you're on a printer where there is, or on a computer where there is a printer in the faculty lounge or somewhere else, so you're able to choose that printer and then hit Print. I'm just going to print this to a virtual printer and create a PDF file. And I'm going to do that because I want to see what it looks like first. So I'm just going to call this report on my desktop. And there it comes up as a PDF. I can now look at all of my students and make sure that it is how I want it to be, and make any changes if I want. I just have to go back and do that all over again. And also, it's a good idea to sometimes create a PDF file like that so you can have a paper copy as well. And that is how you create elementary school progress reports using GradeQuick. Let me know if you have any problems. This is David Schult.